Here is an impression of our virtual SDG program, focused on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. In short, SDGs. In this virtual or remote setting, we let our participants learn through experience. We have a selection of virtual guest speakers such as GVI, the UN Environment Program, Salvatore Ferragamo, sustainable startups like Quali, and many more.
Guys, just give me a quick thumbs up when you can see the beautiful lion. Awesome.
These were the SDGs, or the Good Life Goals, that we've used in how we drill down in these areas.
We print on the paper with the soy ink. So when you clean it, it doesn't damage the world.
Our participants become SDG goalkeepers, present their favorite SDG and an inspiring social startup.
Welcome to the very beginning of our SDG Goalkeeper presentation session today.
If you think you are too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito.
Keep safe and always take care. Thank you.
The virtual workshops equip our participants with the skill set and mindset of social entrepreneurs and support them during their SDG challenge projects.
Now it's time to build a prototype. This is where design thinking meets visual thinking. It looks like you're all motivated for one more exercise. Let's do it.
Our persona is Emma, a uni student.
Perfect. Now we have 10 ideas in only 10 seconds, and this is only a couple.
For the SDG Challenge projects, we form teams who develop a social startup from scratch and present their projects to a jury of experienced social entrepreneurs.
We're very, very happy to have everyone be part of this pitching competition.
Via Daily is a young adult struggling with poverty, and our solution is provide him with food and clothing.
The Stress Lab, in partnership with Flowers for a Change, would help put a smile on our customers' face.
First of all, I really like your project. I think it's super important approach.
The jury like very story and your ID because it's an empowerment story.
And the winner is Team Stress Lab! Applause!
Everyone also enjoys a variety of virtual reality videos related to the UN SDGs using VR headsets and their smartphones.
You're about to come face to face with the largest fish in the sea.
Oh my God, there's the whale shark.
Welcome to Peru's Machu Picchu, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Machu Picchu, also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, rises up more than 2,400 meters above sea level.
Let's see what our participants from Australia and South Africa have to say.
This experience gave me the courage to meet new people.
I can say that I've acquired a lot of skills from just a few days that we did, like the business model canvas, for example, even working on Miro and all those things. It was really enlightening.
Really opened up my eyes to serious situations and all that stuff that's happening in the world. And with the 360 videos, I found it really, really good. I really liked it.
And thank you to Janina and Andres for organizing such an enriching program for us, which has paved the way for our future careers and has benefited us greatly.
Big smiles. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Thank you so much again, you guys.
We run the virtual SDG program every 6 months and look forward to receiving your applications.